This is Erasmus Plus News. I'm John Harden. Today we are in Camp Nou, where the project is taking place right now. There are 11 people from Spain, 11 from Italy and 22 from Poland taking part in workshops in one of the Camp Nou schools. Today we'll remind visit in Spain. On 20th of February 2019, we visited TV in Spain. We had the opportunity to see a recording studio in which we could sit on a chair and feel like a presenter. We were guided through the offices where TV program editors work hard. We found out how a program with news and weather forecast is created. We met Spanish editors and people working from the technical side. The building of the TV channel made a great impression on us. The trip made us realize that working on television is not easy. It was an unforgettable day for us. On Tuesday after school classes, we were going to the Radio Canada Ser. It is the main Toledo radio station. The teachers divided us into two groups. We were informed before a trance that we have to be quiet because recording is still in progress. We were greeted by one of the employees. We were going with him to the recording studio. We also was able to see live radio transmission, which workers prep by themselves. Owning the fat people and atmosphere were friendly, we could sense like one of the employees. On 21st of February 2019, we visited the ABC Madrid Publishing House. It was founded in Madrid on January 1st, 1903 by Torquato Luca de Tena and Álvarez Osorio. Initially, he came out as weekly and from June 1905 became a journal. The first person we met there showed us the conference room where we learned about the story of the company. Then we visited all offices, specially positioned with Photoshop and a corner with books. There are newspapers with well-known people on the covers, such as John Paul II or Adolf Hitler. ABC is also available in a mobile version, so we can read the newspapers on your phone, laptop or tablet. At the end, we visited a huge room with photos of all newspaper chiefs. It comes time when you need to farewell with your new discovered people, and it came at Friday. In the evening, we met with the teaching staff and all the students from Poland, Italy and Spain. At the party, we had many different meals, which was great. We were talking with each other and telling all the great vibes and memories we've experienced. It was the greatest evening that we can even imagine. After the dinner, which was something about 10 p.m., we said goodbye to teaching staff and people that we maybe cannot see in the future, and then, after all, we took a photo. This was the great experience. The atmosphere which was around us was very warm and mild. Thank you very much.